What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel.
Yes, sir.
Got a couple things going out today on Facebook Marketplace and eBay. I'm over at the office, as you can see. I'm off today from my main job, so your boy's feeling pretty good. I'm always feeling good when I'm off from the main job. You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, like I said, I got a couple things going out today. But first, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, I'm a part-time retailer. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, all that good stuff. I try to find products and things like that for the low and sell them for a little bit higher on eBay. eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Grail, places like that. Guess what? If you like stuff like that, subscribe. Straight up. You understand what I'm saying? Let's get right into it and see what's sold on eBay. First thing I got going out on eBay is some video games. I just posted these, a set of video games. Wii video games. I'm gonna get them out. I got them right here. Carnival games and Vegas Party. These sold for $14.99 plus shipping. Great buy. I got these for pennies. I remember I got them at York. I don't know if that is. I got them at a York sale a while back, so great sale. Second thing I got going out is a Camel Bag. And a viewer about this, all they said was love watching your videos. Thanks a lot. What is your name? Thanks a lot. Brenda, I appreciate that. Thank you for support from watching the videos and also making a purchase on my store. This one sold for $13.99. Is that plus ship? I don't know. I think that's free ship. But hey, you're a viewer, so I don't care. Third thing I got going out is a Winston Bar Mat. These are great. I love these. I need to put one on my bar. It actually goes with the theme in my basement. I say second and third thing because two of these sold to the same person, and I printed out the actual what are these called, labels at home, and I didn't know it was the same buyer, and guess what, I printed two labels. So guess what, they're gonna get two packages because I don't feel like voiding and all that. Shipping was pretty cheap. These both sold for $16.99 plus shipping. And yeah, what can I say about that? I sold the sign. I already packed it, as you can see. I put it on the screen. It's a Kodak metal sign. It actually sold for $27.99 plus ship. Like I said, these signs, I'm getting used to shipping them, man. At first I was kind of like iffy because I didn't want them to bend and stuff like that, but if you pack them nice with a couple of pieces of cardboard and do a nice good tape job, one in the middle, these are actually very sturdy and should be good in shipping. I've hadn't had any complaints within the last couple of weeks because I've been shipping them out like crazy, and I guess your boy's an expert now as far as packing them, so yes, that's a good thing. And last but not least, I sold a Rule 20A. It's in C. Hopefully it's in C because I got this a while back. I don't even remember putting it in here. We gonna see. We gonna see. It is. It's right here. It's something for your pool. Anyway, it's sold for $39.99 plus shipping. I remember buying this. I bought this in Tennessee, and I got a good deal on it. I think I'm about $5 into this, and it's sold for $40 plus shipping. You can't beat that. Nope. Let's talk about some stuff that's sold on Facebook Marketplace. First thing I got going out there is a shirt. Let's go in here and see if I can find it. It's a camel shirt. Let's see. Come on, Dave. Let's find it. Well, I know where they at, but I'm hoping I have a straggler hanging out here somewhere where I don't have to dig to get one. And it looked like I'm gonna be digging, so let me put this camera down and dig. Got it. Shirt right here. I think I showed you this one before. Like I said, this sold for $30 plus shipping. Next thing I sold, and I love selling these, bumper sticker. 1974 bumper sticker. Like I said, I have like a roll of these where I can just turn them off every time they sell. It sold for $11 plus shipping. Love selling these. Easy ship. Can't beat this. Yes, sir. Sold another shirt. Same one that I showed you a little earlier. This one actually sold for $24. I took a best offer for this one, and yeah, man, if I can get at least 25 or more for these, it's a great sale for me. And they're already in box. Lovely ship. Quick ship. Can't beat it. Last but not least is the hat, which I don't have it here. At least I don't see it here. I don't know if I had to go to the storage unit to get it or if I need to go home to get it. We'll see. I know it's not going to get shipped today. It'll probably be tomorrow. Anyway, I put it on the screen. It sold for $30 plus shipping. I got a bunch of these. I think I got like a box of 20 of these hats. So selling for $30, man. Great sale. Next day at home. It's actually nighttime. I'm actually about to go over to the office because I got to pick some stuff up over there. And because my son, he don't have school tomorrow and I gotta be at home and I don't feel like dragging him to the office tomorrow, so I decided to go over tonight while my wife's home. Anyway, let's talk about the stuff that I have here that's going out. First thing that's going out is actually a great sale, man. It's a hat at Camel. That's what it looks like right there. I hope you can see that. This hat actually went for $70 over on Grailed. I told y'all, man, it takes a little while to sell stuff on Grailed. Let me turn this light on. But when it does sell, it's always great, all right? Because I can sell stuff for a premium price over and get what I want to get. Now, if I wasn't in a rush, which I'm really not, I can just put everything over there and just wait for it to sell. But I have so much of some of this stuff that I do liquidate some of it over on eBay, and then some of it I put on Grailed. When I start getting down to the nitty gritty, I probably keep some stuff just to wait for it to sell on Grailed because I get premium price over there. You understand what I'm saying? Next thing to go out, or that is going out, is this right here. It's license plate, Pride in Tobacco. It's a vintage plate. This one plate actually went for some good money, man. It went for $40 plus shipping. It's crazy what these plates go for. A lot of people like these tobacco plates. So if you ever come up on some type of plate that has any type of like cigarette advertisement or something on it, grab it. Really, all vintage plates do good. So if you see something vintage and it's a license plate, grab it. Next thing I got going out is a shirt. I don't want to open it up. It's folded up. It's a purple. It's actually a Ralph Lauren shirt. Actually got tags. This is a retail arbitrage. I got this a while back. Haven't really sold clothes in a while. Well, when I say clothes, I don't consider my cigarette vintage shirts clothes because it's clothes, but you know, that's stuff that people get. I'm just talking about regular clothes that you get from, you know, the Goodwill, TJ Maxx, Marshall, stuff like that. I actually got that from TJ Maxx a little while back, and it actually sold. I shipped it out and they didn't want it, couldn't fit it or something, so they sent it back, and it was still in the original order, still had tags on it, so I relisted it and it sold again. Hopefully this person keeps it. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not gonna keep trying to do the back and forth. Anyway, that shirt sold for $34.99, free shipping. I don't know why I put free shipping on that, but free shipping. It's under £1, so it won't cost so much to ship out. But I'm just glad to see it go. I'm glad to see all the clothes that I got go, because, you know, as you guys know, the ones who sell clothes, they can sit for a while. Next thing I got going out is a hat. It's a Harley Davidson captain's hat. Now this one right here is actually in great condition. It's vintage, of course. I got a couple of offers on this hat, and I sent them a counter offer, and of course they didn't accept. I got it listed for $185. All right, these things actually go for real good money. I actually sold one. It wasn't in this condition, but it went for $150, man. And I was glad to sell that one. This one, somebody sent me an offer for $130, and I've been having it for a little while. I'm only like $5 into the hat, so I'm not that much into it. I could sell it for $20 and still make a profit, but like I said, I got a $130 offer. You know, that's when you start raising. Back in the day, when I was getting those offers, it was when I first listed it. You know, I was like, wow, man, people's really interested in this hat. I'm gonna hold strong and hopefully I sell it. Well, I got those couple of offers and ain't really got no offer in the last 3 or 4 months on it. So this offer came in for $130 and I accepted it. Now, that's where you can mess up. Sometimes when you get a good offer or an okay offer, or maybe it might not be in your price range, sometimes you might want to accept that because you might not get another one. So I got this $130. It's still good, but I could have got like $155 or something like that. I'm stupid, I know. Bruh. And that's it over here. All right. I'm at home, like I said. It's about 10 o'clock at night. I'm about to go over to my office, and let's see what else we got going on. Hey, stop dribbling the ball. I'm trying to do a video. Bruh. Next day, change of plans. I end up, well, I'm gonna tell you what happened. I was gonna lie. I end up going all the way to my office, right? And forgot my key to the office. All the way over, which it ain't that far from my house, but you know, I came back home, I was planning on going back over there, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. So I was heated, you understand? I get to the door, I'm feeling around, and what it was, I drove my wife's car, and I didn't have my keys, and anyway, I'm not great. Bore y'all with all that.
Wait, you didn't go? You didn't go yesterday?
Yeah, I did, but I forgot my keys though. Anyway, I'm just gonna tell you what, so a lot of stuff y'all didn't seen before, because of course, as you know, I got multiples of a lot of this stuff, so a lot of it's still selling, and did pretty good on Facebook Marketplace. All these orders is on Facebook Marketplace, I believe. So I sold a couple of shirts. I sold 3, and I put it on the screen. I sold one for $30, so another one for $25, another one for $25. And those $25 ones were best offers. They sent me an offer of $20. I went back at $25 and they accepted. I got these listed for $30. So the different shirt, it's a 91. It sold for $28. Actually, that was the best offer as well. I think I got that listed for $35. He came at $25. I went up to $28. You know, I didn't want to. I could have went to $30, but you know, I try to get between $25 and $30 for these shirts, and more on Grailed, of course. Sold another shirt just like it. I meant to say that, and it went for $30 as well. And I sold a hat for $25, a camel hat. A lot of these y'all have seen before, so it wasn't no sense of me even having to make that trip in order to finish this video, because I'm gonna go over there later, but I'm gonna have this video finished, I think, before I go over there. So I decided to just go ahead and incorporate this in. I do want to answer a question when it comes to Facebook Marketplace. Hold up, I think I sold something else on eBay. Yes, I did. I forgot to mention this. I sold 2 camel bags, both to 2 different buyers for $13.99, free shipping. They come like this. Well, I got a camel bag. This ain't the picture, it's a different picture that's on there, but they come just like this. They ship out for 4 ounces. The going rate's about $14, so I decided to just do a free shipping on that, and they're doing pretty good ever since I switched it to the free shipping. So yeah, I got a question, and I got it a couple of times before. I did answer the guy's question in the video, but he asked me how to ship on Facebook Marketplace. Now, I think in the beginning, when they was rolling out the shipping, people was getting access at different times. I'm thinking everybody got access now to ship. But it's pretty much set up just like eBay. All right. So when they buy your product, when you list your product, I'm sorry, you go through, you take your pictures, you do your listing, your description, whatever. When you hit next, you got your shipping options. Only thing with eBay, only thing with Facebook Marketplace though, they only give you a couple of different options. They give you like if it's under a pound, if it's between 1 and 2 pounds, 2 to 5 pounds, and on. And they also have added the UPS option as well. So just get in there and play with it. It's the same thing. You're printing the labels out the same way. Self-explanatory. It's actually a little easier. You don't have to go and do all the item description and all that crazy stuff. Facebook Marketplace, you can actually list a lot quicker. So yeah, just go through and do it, man. Hopefully you got the shipping option. I'm thinking everybody got it now. Streamlined real good. I never have a problem with it. So yeah. With all that being said, I'm gonna end this video here. What they gotta do?
Like, subscribe, comment, and turn on those push notifications.
Post notifications? I don't ever say that. Y'all be good.